So in this video, you'll learn how to update games on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you want to ensure that your games are regularly kept up to date, then the first step when it comes to checking for updates is to simply ensure that the game has been selected. So here I've selected a Fallout Shelter. Then from here, I just need to press on this plus button to open the options menu. Now you can't do this when you're using the touchscreen, you actually have to press on the plus button on your console. Once you've done that, you then want to come to this option labeled software update and you want to choose that. From here, you should see via the internet. So what you're going to do is just select it like that and then wait for it to check for any available updates. If the game has any updates available, it will go ahead and install the update and then you can now continue playing that game with the latest update added. However, as you can see, mine is already up to date, so I just need to select OK, and then I can just go back and now continue playing that game as it is. And so that's how you can ensure that you keep your games up to date on your Nintendo Switch 2 console. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.